Without the presence of greenhouse gases, Earth would be a frozen world. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which traps heat in the atmosphere. In our atmosphere, carbon can be present as carbon dioxide or CO2. With the help of the sun and through plant photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is pulled from the air to make plant food from carbon. Through food chains, the carbon that is in plants moves to the animals that eat them. When plants and animals die, their bodies as well as leaves decay, bringing the carbon into the ground. Some of this carbon-containing material sinks miles underground and will become fossil fuels after millions of years. Each time you exhale, you are releasing carbon dioxide gas, CO2, into the atmosphere. Animals and plants get rid of carbon dioxide gas through a process called respiration. When humans burn fossil fuels to power factories, power plants, cars, and trucks, most of the carbon quickly enters the atmosphere as carbon dioxide gas. After huge amounts of carbon are released from fuels and enter the atmosphere, the rest are dissolved in seawater and are used by some marine organisms to build their skeletons and shells. So, now we know that carbon dioxide in the atmosphere can be released by human activity such as burning fossil fuels and burning coal to generate power. We also know that when soil is exposed to sunlight and heat, CO2 is formed as a byproduct of bacteria's cellular respiration. You can model this process by trapping soil in a bottle and using a stopper and using a tube to connect the air inside the bottle with the soil to another closed container with lime water. After a few days, the lime water in the second container will become cloudy. This cloudiness indicates the presence of carbon dioxide released from the soil, traveling through the connecting tube and mixing with lime water. What do you think might be the cause of such results?